Good morning, good morning, good morning. And this is another video. No intro, no outro. I know I catch everybody like messing with me when I say no intro, no outro, right? Straight to the point. Well, maybe not to the point. This is a good weekend. You hear the minor birds chirping. The smell of fresh air, everything but opening up slowly but surely. I think the restaurant's opening back up today, but I won't be going to no restaurants at least for another couple weeks. I like doing the takeout thing. But yeah, as you know, this is another Brick by Brick. Mr. KO4 back up with this thing. I'll be adding some more fours to the collection. They should start rolling in next week. I think I got a little over 60 pair of fours. Haven't showed all of them. I saw some of them on IG. Haven't showed all of them. Secrets is neither here nor there. Also, go check out sis channel 313 Retro Queen. We had a dope pre-battle and discussion yesterday between Goat Weezy and BX Rays, and they're gonna get it on tomorrow, 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on sis 313 Retro Queen channel, along with the Bro, PM Kicks, and McFly KO. It should be a dope battle. We get a break this weekend, no cops, so if you want to reach back, this would be a perfect time to go and do that reach back. Shout out to everybody for all the love and support. We hit 6K, so I'm gonna do a little small mini giveaway, maybe 1 or 2 items and let it be. Also, other things real quick before I jump in this, shout out to the Bro Snoops Custom for always hooking me up with the merch. I know I've been slow on the merch, but look at this E-Money Shoes hat. Very dope snap back. You feel me? Favorite color right there is red, so very dope. I'm gonna start pushing the merch, get the stuff out. I got a couple orders, but it's also gonna come with a Hawaiian keychain and all of that stuff. It's gonna be $25 ship with the shirt. You can find them on IG. I haven't even decided about the hat, so stay tuned. We're gonna get this on and popping. Now we are 2 minutes into this video. Let's talk about the shoes here. You see it's not a Jordan box. It's a size 11. Y'all know I kind of vary 9.5 to 11. So this is a personal pair, a PP, not a poo-poo. PP Hawaiian means beef, but this is a PP as in personal pair. Size 11, hyper turquoise pink blast. Suggested retail price $160. And you see the QR code and all of that stuff. Got your sticker, but you already know I ain't paying $160 for these shoes. So let's see what let's just see what the actual price of this shoe is. Let's go. I bought a whole bunch of stuff that day, but that's neither here nor there. We just want to get to what this price was. So look at that. $84.99 out of all of that. Because y'all know, like I always tell y'all, I'm looking for the steals and deals. And these are the South Beach joints. Damn a lamb. Look at that. Look at that. Very bright shoe, just in time for the summer. 97s are pretty dope. I think it's like my 5th pair of 97s. So these are on one. You be able to find me with these. You got to get a South Beach shirt, you know, to get it all nice and nice. Look at that underneath the bottom. You got that pink, maybe the South Beach hit with that glossy black with that pink swoosh coming around on the toe. You got a little bit of wrinkle stanker. Do the stanky leg. All right. Do the little wrinkle stankle. Just a little bit. Now right here, this may be, because most of these hits they normally make it 3M, so I went doubt if it's 3M. Then you got this nice blue here, like a jaded blue for the mesh material. And you got black. Then you got a nice grade of nubuck suede right here with the stitch. And then you got your pull tab to help you get the shoe on. Coming around on the side, that is nice. Look at that air unit, that teal look, dope. Stitched in Nike. I always love when they do the stitching on the Nike, because you get the premium feel. You know what I mean? The premium feel. You see where you got this piece here where they had the price tag. No biggie. Black is pretty good. And you got the pink and black hits right here on 97. 97 is very comfortable in my opinion. Coming around on the ass of the shoe, you got Air Max This is in gray. I'm pretty sure this probably is 3M as well. I know I got to give y'all a better angle so you can see the full aesthetics of the shoe. Yes, I said aesthetics, right? Of the shoe. So you got two ways to help you put on the shoe, right here and right here. You see the lace. I just already know what sizes I can roll with. You can see the pink tips on here, very, very dope. You got Nike etched in right here. And it's the very thing about the 97, right? They have that little divider here to separate the air unit. So pretty much the same thing on the medial side, right? You can see it right in here. Mesh right here with your stitched in swoosh, which is going pretty much in the reverse direction. Inside, you got your QR code production date 7/2/19, 9/23/19. And let me see, what do we have here? Oh boy. And look what this says. OMG. This is the wrong shoe. Look at that. A 9.5. I've been ganked. Oh boy. Back these go. See, that's why they say check your shoes. I thought they checked it, but I guess they did it. And this is what we got going on here. Now this is the right shoe. Size 11. It's a good thing I'm sitting here checking with the family members because this is a trip. So I gotta go take a little trip down. But you get the gist to it. Crap. I'm gonna drop the shoes out of this tripped out. But y'all get the gist of it. I definitely will be running around. That's why you see the moral of the story, people. Don't take people's word for it. Check your pair. So I definitely be going back to get the right shoe. Hopefully somebody ain't dig out. Because now somebody gonna have, that is a big size description. It's like what, almost, it's like 1.5, right? So we'll see. But on a little meter. For the sizing, I think I will give this about a 4.8 out of 5. 4.8 out of 5. You guys let me know what you think. Comment, suggestion below. I think it's a very, very nice shoe. Dope hits on it. And it really, really will stand out for the summer. So you leave a comment suggestion below. It's Mr. Brick by Brick. We're gonna currently trudge, slowly but surely on the road to 10K. Tell a family member, friend of a friend. Thanks for all the love and support. Don't forget to check us out tomorrow at Sis313 Retro Queen channel, 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for a dope battle. You feel me? Eat Money Shoes. I'm out. Peace.